हाय देयर अभी तक तो मैं शायद विजिबल नहीं होगा राइट अभी लिस्टेड है शायद वीडियो तो उसको लिस्टेड करना है तो विजिबल होगा या ये अपनी वाला है। सबसे पहले इसको करना है पब्लिक एंड सेव करते हैं इसको लिस्ट में डाल देते हैं ट्रेडिंग लाइव देन सेव चेंजेस शो मोर इसको डाल देते हैं ट्रेडिंग डन इंग्लिश में है सब कुछ एवरीथिंग इज इन इंग्लिश राइट so first of all yeah. So let me introduce myself. My name is Sahil Singh. I'm an ICTA FMC trader, and I'm the India's best trader. I don't know about the world because my mentor is Michael. He's better than me, but in India, I'm the best, right? So let's see what we can get here. The time frame is new, right? All this balanced area, it will be an HRLR. If it has to move downwards, it has to show speed. I just want to see like how does it pass from this level? So let's solve the sensitivity over here. Right? That's the balanced area. I'm just like following the order flow of 1 minute. If it has to move up from here, it has to show speed, right? And try to this consequent encroachment of the CB. If not, like this is balanced area. If it has to move up, it has to show speed. You can be wrong here, absolutely 100%. I'm just doing the it's something called like volatility and pinball drill of ICT. I'm just doing that, right? I don't care if I'm wrong. I don't care if I'm right. Let's see if we can get the closing above this consequent encroachment of this SIBI. And this balance area, it will be like this will create problem for us. Let me get a 30 units out myself. Just watching down the consequent encroachment of this one. So it is big, right? Let me just get in. Ideally, if it wants to move up from here, it has to show speed, right? Show speed and like tell me, like, it has to show speed from here. I don't want it to just consolidate here or reject here. Let's see what happens. It has to show speed passing this one. Or this will be a sell trade, right? If this C get closed, probably it's a sell trade. That can be institutional or a flow trade. Let us see. What I wanted is that I wanted this 3 minute candle to say close this CB above this consequent encroachment, then just try to deviate upwards because we create a kind of balanced area. in this 1 minute. All right, see, can I get closing above this constant encroachment of this way? Ideally, if I would be here, to be honest, I would need a big candle, right, to cross this balanced area. If I'm right, then that is what I would be expecting. We have a balanced area in 1 hour over here, right? Mhm. If it has to cross this, it has to show speed downwards, which I'm not getting, right? It moved down from here, I'll probably reverse my position because I'm just following the order flow. There you go. Now I need closing in this consequent encroachment. This is a balanced area. I need closing. To be honest, I need closing here, right over here. My stop is just over here. Closing it has to move up from here. It has to show speed and cross this consequent encroachment of the CV. If not, then probably it is going to move downwards and attack the STD of this whole thing. Ideally, I need a big candle, right? I need a big candle crossing this balanced area. This is a balanced area in 15-minute chart. I'm just following the order flow. I'm not giving any trades. I'm not giving any signals. This balance price area will be used as my defense. Ah, I need this to cross that immediately. That's not a good thing. Cross this consequent encroachment of this wick. Yeah, we don't have any FPG right now. We are in HRLR. But then also I'm just following my order flow, my model. The bullish scenario would be there if it crossed this consequent encroachment of this 3 minute. Then I would expect it to go up. Right now I'm bearish. I was actually bullish in the front. I thought that it was just now if I get a breakaway gap over here, that's a good thing. I'm just getting 10 contracts idea. If I'm just selling, I have to buy here. I got 10 here. I'm left with 50, right? If we can get a breakaway gap here and just kind of like move downwards violently, then that would be a good thing, right? The thing I like about my mentor is that, and his concepts is that even if you are wrong, like in retail concept, you would never know that we are wrong or not. But with my mentor's concept, we absolutely know that we are wrong, right? Ideally, I wanted to give me a closing above there and give me a breakaway gap and just try to move downwards. Just like say, get speed downwards. That's what I want. You get a speed here. This is a breakaway gap. I don't. My mentor says that if you have got a breakaway gap, it shouldn't close the above area, right? The premium area of this gap, right? I'm just doing the STD standard deviation of this wick. My experience says it also work. Just right over here, I'll be doing say like any order. I will just buying 30 over here, just a little bit above to get my spreads right. That's not a good thing to be honest. I just get my stop loss right above this. This balance area now it is going to defend me. Ideally, I never wanted. I wanted this gap to stay open, right, and do not come up. It has now closed. Like a slight gap is open here. That's a CV. That's open here, but ideally, I wanted the whole gap to remain open and just kind of like give speed and just move downwards. I don't know what will happen now. 3 minute gap basically remaining, and 5 minute that's our immediate rebalance. Let's see what happens. Ideally, this wick it shouldn't cross the above area of this wick, right? Let's see. Sorry if you can hear my what do you call that in English? You know what? Like my English is not that good, but it's kind of clear, right? Clearer than my Hindi, to be honest. People say that my English is better than my Hindi. That's why that is the 1x STD of this week. It's kind of a balanced in itself. If it crosses that immediately, that's not a good thing. It has to move downwards and show speed. I don't want it to cross this area with the closing basis. Let us see. Kind of like balanced in itself. There you go. We are remaining with 20 contracts, and this one I will be like buying 10 here. That's a short little volatility and pinball drill that I'm doing of my mentor. If you kind of like give me this limit out, I will just extend my stop above this balanced area, or say in the above area. Sorry, in the above area of this wick. Let us see. I'll just get. My God, my neck. If we can capture conquer this area, right? I'll just probably move my stop towards this. Right now it's up to break even. I don't care, right? I have got one limit. I've got one limit, right? My mentor says that as you get one partial, just move your stop towards any balanced area or any area where price will face difficulty. Price will be an HRLR crossing that. That's over here, right? That's why I have moved my stop to the break even. If it wants to move up, if it just kills me out of this trade, I don't care, right? Because I've got my a partial out, so I am profitable in this trade. That's what matters. Like in the 5 minute, you can see all these balanced areas. It will just if it wants to move downwards and attack this sell side, it has to show speed moving downwards, right? Why did you got this speed? Because of this balanced area, we got this speed, right? And I need that same speed over here. Try to attack this sell side or this opening price of this 15-minute candle or even this consequent encroachment of this wick, but ideally I want it to close here, right? Close here. Like we have 5 minutes remaining. Ideally I want it to close, say like um sorry, I want it to close below this area. Below this area. I want it to close below this area in 15-minute chart, not in 1 minute. Right, you got it. If I get stop, I get stop. I don't care. If it is crossing there, that's let me buy it again. I'm just playing, right? I'm just playing. I don't care if I get stopped. I don't care if I lose or buy. I'm just doing the volatility and variable rate. Since it has reached this balance state, I want it to move up immediately because we are in the balance area of this 15 minute. It is not able to cross that. Ideally, I want 3 minutes to close this area. If it moved downwards, that's a bad thing for me. That's not a good thing. I want this to stay open, move up. As I get this partial, I was just putting my stop loss below here. Like now, two things can happen here. In 20 seconds, we can get a closing, we can deviate up. That's what I'm expecting. Either the next thing that I'm not expecting could happen here is that it will just close here and just reject that immediately. That's not what I need, right? Let us see what happens. I don't know. Yep. As I get this partial out, this is the engineered liquidity. As I get this partial out, I'm just putting my stop loss below here. Let's see what happens. This is a balanced day, right? If it wants to move up from here, it has to show speed. It's balanced. This is just annoying me, right? I'm not using any NDOG and WOG, you can see that. I don't like to use that. It just makes my chart a bit, not a bit, a lot messy, right? So I'm not able to focus on my right action, right? That's why I'm not having that. Let's see if we can get this limit out. As I get that limit, I'll just put my stop below here. Breakaway candle is what I'm expecting here. If it gives that to me, with speed, right? And yep, my stop is over here. Got one partial. If I get stopped, I don't care because I'm actually in a profit, right? I'm actually expecting it to give me a breakaway gap above this minor liquidity, or you can see senior liquidity. You can see that if I get this whole swing, right? If I get this whole swing, this is a measuring gap, right? We got a measuring gap. That's a signal of strength. I want this gap to stay open, right? As I say, I want that gap to stay open. It just kills that gap. I don't want that right now. I want this to stay open, deviate up because of this balanced area. Now our enemy is this area. This area. Oh my god, what is happening? Wait a minute. Our enemy is this area. I want this one like give me like just kill it. Just go through it immediately. I want to break away gap here. I don't want it to consolidate over here. That's not a good thing. Ah, that's not a good thing. Nah, nah, nah. I'm just looking like I'm not having any monitor. I'm just a student. I'm just having one computer, one desktop. I'm just using that, right? And I'm just doing every time frame in that desktop only. This is a 3 minute balance area. It has to cross that. Int. That's not a good thing. We are not able to cross that. Ingenious liquidity. I wanted to cross this ingenious liquidity and kind of deviate up. I'm just speaking. Am I live? Yeah. I thought I'm not live. Wait a minute. Let me see if I'm just visible or not. Oh my god, I'm not live. What is that? What happened? What is happening, bro? Is that unlisted or what? Holy shit. Hi everyone, sorry for that. I was just randomly speaking for like 20 minutes. I was just randomly speaking. I thought that I was live, but it was like private. Oh my god, like it was a huge mistake for me. This happens to me a lot. Like in front of you, I have taken 2 to 3 trades. I was just speaking like LOL randomly, but we are here in a trade. What would happen if I just don't see that we are not like we are private? I don't know. Don't get 10 contracts off here. Ah, 10 is a big 5 only. Come on. Fuck, that was like, oh my god. My 2025 resolution is that I will never ever say any bad slang words, right? That's my resolution for 2025. But this was insane, right? I thought like I was live. Oh my god. That's not a good thing, right? Resolution for 2025. But this was insane,
Fuck.
right? I thought
Oh my
like I
god,
was
fuck,
I will
man.
never say those words. I will never say those words. That's my resolution. Oh my god. That's not a good thing. I guess my audio is good. Now this is a balanced area. Our checkpoint is that we have to capture this level. Let's see if we can capture that or not. Get that 5 dots here also. We have to capture this level. Let's see. Now now since it has crossed this balanced area, it has conquered this area. Two things can happen. The first thing, what I'm expecting it to happen is that deviate up, use this as a stepping stone to move up. That's what I'm expecting. The second thing is the worst that could happen is to just reject that immediately, move downward from here. That's a bad thing. That's I'm not expecting it, right? Just this and attack this area. But that was like very bad, very bad. Like YouTube should inform me that you are private or you are unlisted, or I should just check. This is the engine liquidity, right? Let's see. The limit just below this balanced area. We have to capture this level, right? We have to capture. Oh my god, don't want it to dance. We have to capture this level. Come on. That's very bad sign. I want this below area of this BC to stay open. I want this entire BC to stay open. That what was I expecting in the first. But the thing it has done right now, I want it to immediately move up. Or at least just make this below area, this discount area of this busy to stay open. 3 minute is looking totally bullish. 5 minute, everything fine. 15 minute, yep. Let's see. 30 minute, hmm, not good. Alright. Right now we are just trading the bounce of that area, right? It's not high probability on buy side. If it just closes this basic, probably it will move up. It will use this as a resistance to move downwards. Right? Let's see what happens. I'm just capturing every swing, right? That's what I'm doing. I'm just doing the volatility and pinball drill of my mentor. The 3 minutes should not close below this. Oh my god, sorry. The 3 minutes should not close below this balanced area, right? Try to move up and just go to this area. Oh, I'm back. I got a call, right? This is absolutely not a good thing. See the sensitivity, right? This sensitivity. I'm just talking about this. See the sensitivity over here. Oh, that's not a good thing. I don't want that, right? I want this visit to stay open as a closing basis, right? Not as a wick. You know what? Like, it's not a high probability on buy side because we are just capturing the dips, right? We are just capturing the dips of this. Say, if I just demonstrate that using the PATH tool. Where is that? Yeah, I'm just buying this small one, this small dip. Like the major move in the sell side, but I'm just buying the dip, right? That's what I'm doing. That's why it's not a high probability on my side. But if it is not a high probability, I will come to know. This is the engineer liquidity, right? If I just get above that, I will just oh sorry. If I just above that, I will just get like four contract of I'm just selling, so I'm have to buy. Oh sorry, I have to sell here, right? Four here and say maybe three here in this balanced area. Ideally, if it is truly bullish, it has to show speed to me on the upside and try to attack this area with speed, right? Let's see. I don't know. No, nobody knows. I want to see if I'm like audible or not because my microphone is having a lot of issues, right? Speed to me on the upside and try to attack this area with speed, right? Oh, that's not a good thing. I want this balance area to close and move and attack this engine liquidity over here. If you like me trading, you can just subscribe to me, join my Instagram. And did I show you my beautiful editing? Wait a minute. How's that? Can I get that limit off? I'll just show you my executions, right? Buy it, then sold it. We captured this whole momentum. We then again buy it. So like we are doing both the things. We are buying, we are selling, right? Every season and every spring. That's the beauty of ICD trading, right? I've just sold it over here, and I buy it again. Then I'm just in that trade right now. I'll just move my stop below this balanced area. If I get stop, I don't care because I got majority of my positions, right? Let us see what can happen to us. Oh, this 3 minute, like it did a lot, like it did a lot of efforts trying to cross this busy consequent encroachment, but this busy is not allowing. Sorry, oh my god, sorry. This SIB. Ideally, I wanted to cross the mid area of this CB and try to deviate towards up and attack this balanced area with speed. Speed is the key. I don't want Mickey Mouse move here, right? I want speed here. Oh, that is not a good thing. That is not a good thing. I told you that now this is going this big consequent encroachment. That's where my stop is. This is going to either support me or I'm just going to get killed here in this trade. If I get killed, I will just probably find another trade. Probably two things can happen. Immediately go down, close this gap. That's a sign that it will attack this stop loss and move downwards. The second thing is that it will just use it as a stepping stone to attack this area. That's what I'm expecting. Just see this sign over here. You can just join my Instagram and just open your eyes and read this whole sentence, right? This is not education, like this is an educational channel. I'm not giving any signals to anybody. I'm just doing trade in front of you, right? And yeah, I'm the world best trader in India. Sorry, I'm the India's best trader ICT. The world best trader is ICT himself. Michael Wilson is the world best trader. Because of this balanced price area and this basically I wanted it to stay up, and if it closed that, that's a huge sign of going downwards. Let's see what happens. Buy it over here, got my partial here. Let us see. These are the engineer liquidity. Why is it the weight over here? It has to be ENG and engineer liquidity. Can we get cross above that engineer liquidity? If I just like, why is that line over here? Move that. If I just, oh my god, it is looking untidy here. Got 6 pips in front of you, right? Ideally, mm, 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 mm. You know what, like future days, we are having a big volume imbalance over here by open, close, and open. This is a very big volume imbalance, right? This wick will support it, right? This wick consequent encroachment. If it crossed that, to be honest, what I'm expecting for the future is that if this candle cross this consequent encroachment, then definitely we are going to attack. And okay, sorry, the thing is definitely in this trading, but that is what my model says. If it cross this consequent encroachment, then it is going to attack this relative equal low. See that the left low is lower than the right low, it is going to attack this one. If this red line, if we lose this red line, right, with closing basis, and absolutely the first indication would be losing this wick consequent encroachment, which is over here. If we lose that, like today we just messing around it, if we lose this area, probably that's a sign that it will just move towards these areas, right? 4 hour, let's see. This is the balanced area, that's same as that wick. I don't want it to lose that, right? Hourly, we have completely lost this balance area. That's why it's not a high probability, but we have one more balance area here. We are kind of like sandwiched between both of them, right? It can either go up and down, up and down. That's what I'm trading. It's not high probability in either of the direction. If it wants to move up, it has to cross this area around like 03965 with closing basis. And if it has to move downward, it has to cross the 038 03834 with closing basis. 30 minute, if it is truly bullish, it has to come here where my red rectangle is with closing basis. 15 minute, it has to close the SCB. 5 minute, this BC should stay open. I guess I'm going to get killed, right? This BC did a lot, right? Now we have just crossed that consequent encroachment of this BC. We got rejection upwards. Let's see if this balance price range support us or will get killed. If I'll just get killed, I'll just revert my position. Let's see. I'll just have my stop below this balanced area and sell my just over here. Like if you're new, oh, I'll get killed. I get killed immediately, I guess. You lost that PC, right? Let's see for the 3 minute. If you just close that, probably we're moving downwards, and I'm going to reverse my position then. Bang! Bye bye. I sold it in front of you, right? I'm just like trying to get every swing. I'm just trying to get every swing. Now, this is a kind of speed breaker. I wanted to cross that immediately with a speed. The speed I wanted to cross that. It's speed. Can we get speed over here? Can my lord give me speed here? Right now the safe SL is over here. And TP is trying to attack this one. Let's see. Yo, that was what I was expecting. Speed. We got that, right? Buy 4 over here. Not 4, maybe 3. Like in front of you, I'm just capturing every swing, right? I buy, sold in front of you. How was that? Is there anyone better than me? Leaving my mentor. Okay, Sahil, don't be miserable, Sahil, be humble. Now this balanced rise area, I don't want it to move up. I want it to reject that area immediately and move downwards, attack this balanced area over here. Let's see. Let us see. Since as it crossed that, try to move towards this area. I'll just put my stop below it, right? That's what I want. And this should be a breakaway gap, but I don't want it to stay like close this whole candle. Na 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 na. 3 minute. We got speed. That what was I expecting? This was like I've just buyed the dip of this whole down thing, right? I just buy the dip here. Now it is moving downwards. Let us see. This balance here will be like used as resistance. Oh, see that speed, right? I want speed here. I'm just saying like, is my audio visible? Sorry, not visible, audible or not? Otherwise, how is this like my photo, PFP profile picture? I'm just saying like, is my audio visible? Sorry, not visible, audible or not? Otherwise, how is this like my photo? Well, PFP. Why can't I just move backwards? Is there any setting for that? I don't know. I'm just new in this live stream. Is there any setting for that? Customization and analysis. Customization. Live chat. Replay. Live reaction. Yeah, I got that. Probably I can do that right now. Let's see. Live reaction. Yeah, I got that. I'm not able to do that. I can do that right now. Stop live playback. I don't know. I want this area to get captured immediately and yeah, and capture immediately. Then I'll put my stop below above this balanced area. Let's see. That is what I'm expecting here. With speed, as this area get captured, I'll just move my stop over here. जितनी दफा देख तुझे. Oh, that's a Hindi song, right? By the way, if you want to, I cannot move my stop over here. It's not safe. As we captured this level, then I can move my stop over there. Right now, I wanted to capture this level with closing basis. Okay. Right now, nobody is watching, right? If you would be watching, then probably. Holy shit, wait. Alright, we got this limit out. I can move my stop over here. Can we get speed? Now once I get this TP out, I will probably move, right? This is my sell side. Get that out, I'll just probably end the stream. Tell me how was that? Once I get this limit out, probably I will move my stop to the break even and try to attack this 15-minute sell side, or even just keep my, let us target this one. Just I don't know whether it will reach or not, but that's like my terminus. But my trade is ending over here. That's not a good thing. If I get stop, I'll just stop my stream. I got enough today. I'm audible, right? Yeah. I have to go immediately somewhere right now. I just wanted to just quickly move to my stop or my break TP or my sell limit, sorry, buy limit. I'm getting impatient. Oh, come on, stop me. If you want to stop me, stop me. You know what? I don't care if I get stopped because I got like one partial out, two partial out. If I get stopped, that's a good thing. If I don't get stopped, that's a better thing. But not losing anyways, right? Because I got two of the partial out, and the stop is above my position, so I will be ending the trade in profit. I got two, three. I like totally. I have taken four trades. Buy here, sell it over here. That's a break-even trade. I neither lose nor won. That's one trade I won. That's two. That's the second trade I won. That's the third trade I'm winning. Let's see right now. If I get stop, I'll just end my stream. This is probably my last stream. Yeah, last stream only because of the 7th. This is 31st December. Let's see. Come on, get me, stop me, or move to my limit. You know what? Like I have to go somewhere, right? So I have to just. I'm just keeping this stream open. I have to get ready, and then either I'll get stopped or I'll get my DP. I don't care, right? If I get stopped, I'll just close the stream, right? So I have to move somewhere. I have to go somewhere. So I'm getting ready, right? That's why I'm just like stopping this whole like just the audio, not the stream, right? So yeah. See ya in the 2025. Happy New Year. Thank you.